Good afternoon to all the friends and those who are new on my channel. Please subscribe and open the bell notification so that if any news comes in DHFL, I will update you. And if any opportunity in any news talks, I'm going to share with you through my video, right? So I'll request again, please subscribe and open the bell notification. So guys, you all saw after two consecutive days of upper circuit, now today we face the lower circuit. What could be the reason? Is there any news? Yes, there is a news, and I'm just going to tell you all. You guys can read it out as well. DHFL resolution: FD holders may vote against distribution mechanism. So those people who got FD with the DHFL, they can vote against distribution mechanism. It means they got divided in four categories, like from small amount to 2 lakh to 10 lakhs, something like that. And whatever amount they are going to receive in comparison to whatever they invested, whatever FD they had, they are not happy at all, because whether it's Piramal Group or it's Oaktree, they are not giving the whole amount. They are giving a very less amount, somewhere around, you can say like that, 15 to 20%. Okay, that is not sufficient because the total amount of FD holders is somewhere around 5,400 crores, and it's not enough to fulfill that. And why should anyone leave their money? Because these money is their hard-earned money, which they have FD with the DHFL. And right, and the concern about the low recovery prospects, a large section of fixed deposit holders, especially those in the retail category like us, like small trader, those who did FD with DHFL, they are not at all liking the resolution plan, right? And on the behalf of all the FD holders, Vinay Kumar Mittal, the person who is leading for all the FD holders, a lead petitioner in the court on behalf of FD holders of DHFL, that we will not support the plan. He further said FD holders are keen to be repaid in full for their investment in DHFL. Yes, he's right, because again, it's your hard-earned money. It's our hard-earned money. Those who have done FD with the DHFL, why should they get least amount, right? Why should? So this is the thing. This is a kind of uncertainty. Okay, so market is not at all liking this, and maybe possible whatever resolution plan or new owner we are expecting, it may go further, right? This resolution plan may postpone. It may be happened, and the date might be gone after months and months, right? It may be possible. I'm not sure, but it can be possible as well. All right, now come back to the technical level. As I told in my previous video as well, the strongest support on a weekly chart is this, where the price is around 23.20, and the next, if this price will close below this level this week, like it closed below 23.20 level, then the next target, which is coming around 1790 to 1820, right? I know that, guys, you're not going to like it all, but this can be the fact, because at this moment DHFL is being driven by fundamental news. Whatever is happening in the market, whatever is happening in the deal phases, the market is reacting like that, especially DHFL, right? So let's hope for the best. And those who have shares, I just pray to God you guys should get resolution plan, because I don't have too much share, just 150 shares, so I'm not bothering, because I bought this from 32.80 level, and half of the shares I have already booked as a profit as well. I totally bought around 400 shares, and now I have only 150 shares from the price 32.80. So guys, stay updated, open the bell notification, and you will be getting all the news related to